The Christmas train can take you far, past snowy hills and midnight stars. A whistle blows, the lights shine bright all aboard this magic night. Close your eyes, let dreams begin. Feel the sparkle pulling you in. Tonight when you go to sleep, you'll ride a train so warm and deep. On the Christmas train you can go anywhere, where dreams are made of wonder in the frosty air. All the way to the North Pole, where the magic starts, where Christmas fills the world with love and glowing hearts. On the Christmas train your dreams come true. Just let the magic carry you. The snowflakes dance along the track. There's no rush, no looking back. Candy canes and lantern light guiding you through winter night. Soon you'll see the northern glow, where Santa's workshop sparkles snow. Elves are singing, toys are made, every wish so gently laid. On the Christmas train you can go anywhere, where dreams are made of wonder in the frosty air. All the way to the North Pole, where the magic starts, where Christmas fills the world with love and glowing hearts. On the Christmas train your dreams come true. Just let the magic carry you. Polar bears wave soft and slow, white foxes dance across the snow. Every creature, big or small, feels Christmas kindness touch them all. On the Christmas train you can go anywhere, where dreams are made of starlight, floating through the air. For one bright night the world is new, and every child's dream comes true. On the Christmas train the magic's real. It's something only hearts can feel.
So drift to sleep,
Don't be afraid.
the Christmas train
Is on its way.